Okay, मेरा eyes पे गया, oh my god. The nails, I swear मेरे से कोई काम नहीं हो पा रहा है. This is definitely a winner from my side. I love it. Hi, if you're new, I'm so glad that you are here. This is my first ever video, so welcome. If you are already part of the Glow fam, you know the glow is real. Like what you see. Go ahead and hit that like button, drop a comment and subscribe to join the Glow fam. So let's jump into the video. So today's video is super exciting because I'm sharing my first ever haul and review of some incredible products of Swiss Beauty that I recently got my hands on. So you all know exactly what's worth it and what's not. Let's get right into it. So you can see this is the lot of products with me. Swiss Beauty has three categories. First one, which is a normal Swiss Beauty one, and they have the like base category and also a select category which is on the premium side. So मैंने तीनों कैटेगरी में से कुछ कुछ मंगवाया है which I found मेरे पास नहीं है और I might need it. So the first step I have already done with the moisturization. So वो करने के बाद let's jump to the primer. So we have got their Blur It All primer. This is from their select category. You can see it becomes very hard to open any package with this nails. Okay, so we have the product right here. It's so premium. Let's try this out. I'll take some of the back of my hand. So I have my mirror here, so I'm going to look down here. Yeah, it's quite thick. Okay. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it does. You can see it's working. You see, I always look for a good primer that smooth out my skin texture and also minimize the pores. So we have created a smooth canvas for the makeup. You can see this primer is definitely a must try from my side. So next we have, so this is a skin tint and this is from their select category. So we don't have any foundation, we have got their skin tint. So basically this product is a super radiant skin tint and it claims to give you like a satin glow. It hydrates and soothes, and this is enriched with vitamin B5. So I've got the shade 01 Creamy Glow. Skin tints is basically supposed to give you glow from within look, so it's best for that. When you don't want to use like heavy foundation, you can definitely go for this. So let's swatch this. So impressed with the packaging. Look at this. This definitely looks very premium with such a good price. So I'll be mentioning all the price here, so you can check it out accordingly, and I'll be linking all the products in the description box, so do check it out. This much. I think it's quite light for my skin tone. Let's apply. Oh my god, काफी लाइट है कि तो never mind. हाथ से ब्लेंड करती हूँ because it gives you like glow from within. The texture is very lightweight and very smooth, so I really liked. This is quite light, थोड़ा सा light है from my skin tone, but it's okay. It might get oxidized. I think it will work for me, but you have to blend it very nicely. This is how it's looking. So I'm loving the glow that this is giving. It's so pretty. So let's move on with what we have next. So let's move on with the eyes. So I have got their two eyeshadows. Basically मैंने ये मंगवाया था. This is from the select one. ये काफी वायरल हो रहा था, तो I wanted to get this one, but I got this for free. So yeah, but today obviously we are going to try from the select category only. तो इसका भी एक बार दिखा देती हूँ कि काफ़ी अच्छा है. मतलब Swiss Beauty के eyeshadows palette are super pigmented. I have tried it. So इसमें mostly pink है, brown है, shimmery है, peach भी है. Yeah, it's good. It is best for do the natural makeup also and bold look also from this palette. I'll show you the swatches. This is show you one more. This is pink. Yeah, it's quite pigmented. These are quite pigmented. तो ये हम किसी और दिन यूज करेंगे, but today we are going to try this one. Basically, this palette has 12 stunning shades. So let's try some out. So we're going to create a look using this only. So let's do a nude eye makeup. So let's start with the transition shade. So let's use this brown one. Let's apply it on our crease of the eyes. Wow, can you see it's super pigmented? We'll create a very simple look. This is done. Then I'm taking this one. I'm applying this in the outer corner. Something. Let's take this shade, this one, and this I'm going to apply on the center. This, and then blend it with your fingers. Something like this. Shadows are so pigmented and the glitters are super gorgeous. You get a ton of different look with this particular palette, and I think this is the best. You should get it. So now let's check out the product. जिसके लिए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ, which is a holographic eyeliner, and this is in the shade 02 Northern Lights. So it has this beautiful multi-chrome effect that I was dying to try. Finally, I've got one. Let's apply. Look at this. Wow. Just look at the shift. It has this gorgeous effect that's add so much dimension to your eyes. Just look at it. It's perfect when you want a little extra sparkle. Now moving on the Color Me Happy liner. See, look at it. This is in the shade 04 Blue Indigo. Blue shade looks super stunning. I've already tried it. It has a creamy texture, so it glides on very easily. Let's see how this holds up on the eyes. Look at it. How pigmented. This glides on so smoothly. When you're holding this, it's super soft. It's not like the cheap plastic. It's very good. Next up, we have got the Dew Mascara from the Crease category. It is a 2-in-1 product. That means one side is for volume, the other side is for the length. I'm very curious to see how this one performs. Look at the packaging first. It's very pretty. Here it is mentioned for length and for volume. So let's first give our lashes a length. एक ही stroke में, can you see? I love it. I don't know, the camera is not doing justice with the product, but this actually performing very good. Oh my god, I'm loving it now. Just look at it. This is just for the length and you can see. It's crazy. Now let's move on to the volume. Let's give the volume. The volume section has a thin wand. Okay, oh my god. I'm impressed. Look at those lashes. Just love it. Then we have the You and I Powered Black Kajal. So this is enriched with vitamin E. Kajal claims to be super intense and long lasting. So let's test it out. The nails, I swear मेरे से कोई काम नहीं हो पा रहा है. Waterline पे let's apply a kajal. Wow. By applying kajal, it has instantly changed the whole eye look. You can see. Then we have the Cream It Blush with Shea Butter. So this is in the shade 01 Rosy Cheeks. So this claims that it is It's highly pigmented, lightweight, and long lasting. So let's try it out. I'm really enjoying their products now. It's good. I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Oh, that's quite good. I should have taken a little. Apply some here. This is the blush. Obviously this is quite pigmented, so I have to remove the half of the blush, but yeah, it is super pigmented and it leaves a super glow behind. You can see. Also pass from my side. Then we have the natural makeup fixer. I have heard a great things about this setting spray, so let's see how it locks everything in place. Nails जब तक लगे तब तक मेरे से कोई काम नहीं होगा. So finally, the claim that it is long lasting, has vitamin E and aloe vera. That is good. This is very tiny, you can see, and super cute at the same time. Let's spray it out. Okay, my eyes may get away. It has gone in my eyes. Look at the glow. I love the glow. Yeah, must try guys. You should try this. Last but certainly not least, we have the Gloss Me Lip Gloss. So I have not got any lipstick, but a gloss. So we're gonna try that. So I'm thinking to add this blush as a lip color to give it certain color, and then we're going to apply the lip gloss. Already I have applied this lip gloss. Let's apply. It's very glossy. Wow. See the gloss. I love it. This gloss basically gives such beautiful shine without being too thick or sticky. This is perfect for everyday wear, or if you want to add a little extra glam to your looks, this is perfect for that. So I'm going to share my top 3 favorite products which I really loved out of all the products. Okay, so the first one has to be the holographic liner. I mean, this is a must buy. Dio mascara. Then obviously this palette. So these are the 3 products that I really loved. Obviously rest of the products are also very nice, but these are my top 3 favorite from now. Ready for the beauty shots. For today's Swiss Beauty haul and review. Overall, I'm really impressed with the quality of this product. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried any of this product and what are your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to never miss a video. And as always, remember that your skin also deserves a love story. See you in the next video.